Sunamla Testile.
See the lake. Thank you.
The Tharmuni, then the ice cubes in Namjini page and a Della. Ice cube.
Sorry, very happy that we are here, arrived safely with the ice from the Khardung glacier to be presented to His Holiness.
Nowe Pyogi Lunti Kanki, let him since in Nankin Yonly at some tissue at this committee. Darin Shoba Sugar gave a potan ya, Kasane, Untu Nachin, and Yindan soon getting Lia, Conso Navet, the dialogue for our future share. Namshi Gudodan Devil, Henzo she Conso Nashin Yobatar, Henzo Hiela, Jarking get Socha Way Yonly, once came with Chimbuchoki, Chakakatin Yobare. JK Kablaya, Lada Nepepe, Sunam Wanchu Lagi, Lada Kadunlan and Nam Pepe, Ice Blockam, Cabe Chashish, Conscam going Chimbucholia, Jimbushu Yobre. Call number Jaga to Tomsu, Sunam Wanchu Lagi, Chinangi Sakupal Henge, Dugona, Chine Circle, Hentoshik and Contona Yobre.
This conference came, you see.
So the initiative is
Yeah.
and then the topics we're going to discuss?
Yeah, just
Shall I say that?
Very briefly. And then take some questions, you see.
Kapter sunam wanchu lage namshi gyoto tan ti zara ge netang sheto yongyu le Himalaya kyangrom ki chashi shin namne chegyu chungwa ne bezu Himalaya rigyu ki kyangrom nam nyurze tonpyo koni shur shimbe zara ge netang chunbe zamling chila dalin shi yingko sungpa tang tra. Gezar neshu manzo namne sangsing ki kone mayimba mezi gyume kone chöde nangze rindab la shugen choyang chowa gyume kone ne tuki reche sungso.
It was an opportunity to bring a piece of the Himalayas here as a message to the world so that we understand the urgency of climate change and climate action, and therefore we brought this piece of glaciers in the high Himalayas which showcases the state of the environment on the Tibetan plateau from Ladakh to Lhasa to Tawang, and our team with Thupstan and Sonam Dorje. So we are grateful to all of you, but through you we want to convey this message to the world, because this is more than a block of ice. This is a solid piece of SOS message from the people in the mountains. And the message is, please live simply in the big cities so we in the mountains may simply live.
Dadung Kongi Lada Khardung Lani Nam Pepe Kyaurum ki Chashe de Shunke Nisangane Lai Zemune Gode, Gangor ki Gude Nam Pepa Zammase, Onde Navi Gurim Tu, Jiju Langota, Logi Trugor ki Gude Kuryula Topo Matangwe Kone Shuga to Nam Pepa Shigimba Sunso.
We wanted to highlight solutions also along the way, so this was packed in pashmina, brought down on bicycles and electric bicycles, and then on public transport till Jammu and Kashmir, and then from there we brought it up in electric cars. And again, generosity of others. For this, Tata Motors and Hyundai Motors provided their electric cars gratis pro bono.
Kapter Tigasa Kupe Konskam Kuin Chimpuchotan Jemu Namkap, Gamu Zu Chishi Jungin Kandishuka. Tsewa Shebani Gojune Jungi Mebata, Dening Anju Nire Chua Kiedanta, Zue Tungi Le Chunga Shigimba Masi, Zamlin Di Na Misaya Dunzam Dulangi Gembe Derong Su Yushin Yuda. Chojogi Uti Konskam Kuin Chimpuchoki U, Zamlin Nagi Chulu Tame Uti Ne, Rani Ki Chulu Na Tsewa Mebashi Sungi Yuda. Uti Nambe Chojogi Ledun Konazam Member, Koyu Da Namshi Gyodogi Tela Tungin Parmashi Tuna, Pelam Yejenshi Yongyun Basungso.
I consider it very important that spiritual leaders like His Holiness and all the religious spiritual leaders of the world must consider it a responsibility of theirs to promote climate action, to promote climate-friendly lifestyles, because all religions worth the name talk of non-violence, ahimsa, peace. But we often forget that violence today is not committed by daggers and guns so much. It is much more committed by our lifestyles.
대신 쌀굴 현조 디토 현조 구진 나긴 책 지든 기획업기 코유 lun친 수바 마틴 부식 라기 땡아 공스캠 군 침부초 책 지든 기획업기 게사 프락나 치규 나가 namshi gyurdo tante ne kuryu sungyum nacho ki kola drolen ta lenzo shi koti nang kobe ka pepdun shin geji bedun legu khanda begi siju nyamshi ka yurek nyamshi tene kangche tenshu nangwe kone tengdi lenzo de koti nangwashi yengor sungkutanta tengdi lenzo to zamlingi nem sumpa tabe pe tokangi gene so joshi kham mera wa zu shi to drolen ta tamshe nane Dreshu Dabushi Egypt na Tsokten Kewe COP27 ki Lenzo Su Geji Uti Kala Pukyun Songso.
So we want to deliver this message via this manifesto to the leaders to act. And we were now having a dialogue with His Holiness, very supportive. He's completely in a topic, he understands everything, he knows how peace of mind is important to tackle, and he was also very happy with all your sustainable effort you did. So we feel happy. I hope you see that, and let's work together on saving the planet.
Xiang Lenzo Gutin Nankin Kongsu Yoba Europe Gekap Gi Geji Pedun Legu Kangi Genzi Wangbu Tenzi Tetong Lazo Tengdi Lenzo Su Niyu Mina Sushi Pe Yumeta. Deringi Jege to Konskam Gun Chimbucho Ge Gachishi Pemin Chendi Shugap Kongki.
In the Tondu Nalo Lata Unzu Kachik Europe America ne Piore Kalbnanga and Kachik Yatarum Sonza Dan Namduna Pen Daya Kurul Gunch to Widow ya online the Tagedu in the Takanje Kalumnanga. Dine Yagan alone any Kebata any Kurutol Tunayunga Kashe Kalumnanga in Dine African than the chickpea Kongluchun Kuran Elizabeth but two tissue those Shetak and Jimmy around the Sonsa.
아니 경험체다 남랭게 저 재미지나 요로라 대낭로네다 경험체게 까조제 가르페나
단도 고대 단도 순나무줄라기 단도 캬바디 야 퓨스 엔 캬바디네 히말라야 리큐네마 남페베 캬바지레 엔 갸rum지 디시브 단람사 엔티네 차데스 차네도 쉘 추데스 셰스 애니 간제 엔 통주 기강에 콜 엔캬브 시츠하고 갈롬나부터 응아라 지크르슈레 심 구조 즉 대야기 니즈서 지카르 순순스나 운 충도 레사 페드 엔 디두갑 네스 레세 나로라다 남시 교어든 중은주 도나스케요 마르친 페이지 디갑도 와네 애니 동네신 다젠도스 강바야 용어 기주 춘날 춘용어 딘데도 단 대산 뒤줄러스 다 롭존 요레스 퉁겐 요레스 알하바 미도 쉔버든 줄러 다 든주도 종다다 직게 고도디 야베베 토네 응강에서야 그런 가지 요레스 제가 나서